Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bhabana and this channel is all about beauty, and today I have a very special video for you featuring the legendary Charlotte Tilbury skincare and makeup products. So let's get started. So this is the first time I've ever shopped directly from Charlotte Tilbury's website. I usually buy the products from either Cult Beauty or Feel Unique, and that's purely because they usually give me a discount code and I'm all about saving when it comes to buying. But I wanted to get that true magical Charlotte Tilbury experience, hence I went ahead and bought this product directly from their website. And also they currently have offers going on where you can get free full-size products when you spend certain amount. You can also get 10% off your first order when you sign up to their newsletter, so if you want to save some money, then it's worth doing. I haven't opened the box yet purely because I kind of wanted to film the whole experience to share with you all. So this is what the box that it comes in, and inside the box is what I have bought from Charlotte Tilbury. So let's open it. Look at that! Oh my god! I absolutely love this. It is so elegant. Love it. Now, they do have an option to write a gift message, and I kind of did write a gift message from me to me, and this says dream big, work hard and make it happen. So this is what I live by, so I thought, you know what, I might as well put it in a little slip just to remind myself what I'm working towards. So yeah, just a little motivational quote right there for you. Okay, so let's try and open it so I can show you what's actually inside this box. Now, they do send a little gift box, which is very handy, so I'm going to be using that this Christmas. This is really big, so I'm going to try my best to show you it. Ta-da! So this is the Charlotte's Bejewelled Chest of Beauty Treasures. It's Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Advent Calendar for 2020. And oh my god, I'm so excited to unbox this and see what amazing product it has to offer. This is my second Beauty Advent Calendar unboxing for 2020. If you haven't seen my first one yet, then I will link it up somewhere here. Now this Beauty Advent Calendar features 12 full-size and travel-size magic makeup and supercharged skincare secrets, and retails for £150. When I bought this, I also received a free, I believe this is a full-size Pillow Talk Diamonds lipstick. Look how stunning the packaging is. It's pink and it's sparkly, like so pretty. I am gonna open it. There we are. Look at that. Oh my god, that is absolutely gorgeous. And let's look at the color. Wow, it is pink and sparkly inside as well. Look at that, guys. Let me do this. How gorgeous is this? I can't wait to wear it. I also picked up a couple of free samples, Magic Eye Rescue Cream and Goddess Cleansing Ritual. I paid £135 with 10% off for basically 15 products from Charlotte Tilbury, which is amazing. I'm gonna open this box now. Right, so, oh my god. Right, wow. I can't wait to unbox everything in here. Oh my god, look at this. So stunning. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, the packaging. This honestly is so gorgeous. It's rose gold and sparkly. It definitely feels like a treasure chest. This magical beauty advent calendar has 12 doors, as you can see. So pretty. It doesn't have any numbers, so I'm going to start from top and work my way downwards. It also has this little area that you can open, so you can kind of store like all your jewelries in there. So it is really, really pretty. So let's have a look. It says, may all your beauty dreams come true. Oh, I hope so. That is so sweet. On the first day of Christmas we have, let's have a look. Right. So this is a full-size Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. According to Charlotte Tilbury, this is a dreamy rose gold highlighter inspired by digitally remastered tricks of Hollywood and the flawless filters of social media. It's a secret to a lit from within glow. Now, I have heard so many good things about this highlighter and I'm so excited that I can finally try it. On the second day of Christmas we have, let's see, ooh. Right, so this is another full-size product from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Chameleon in Copper Lights. This is actually new from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a gorgeous, sort of like a limited edition copper shade, which promises to enhance the look of your eye color in an easy glide. On the third day of Christmas we have, ooh, okay, so this is Rock and Roll Kohl eyeliner in Barbarella brown, and this is a travel size. It is an intense brown kohl eyeliner, which is meant to be a perfect alternative to a traditional black kohl eyeliner to give you that sexy smoky eyes. On the fourth day of Christmas we have, let's see, ooh, okay, so this is another travel size. It's the Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Pillow Talk Original. This is an iconic, globally loved, barely there nude pink lip liner to help you reshape and resize the appearance of your lips. It is my favorite nude lip liner and I am wearing it right now. On the fifth day of Christmas we have, okay, so this is a travel size Goddess Skin Clay Mask. Now, according to Charlotte Tilbury, this is an ultimate red carpet essential. This glow-giving clay mask will give you gorgeous looking skin in minutes. Apparently, she sends this Goddess Skin Clay Mask to all her celebrity clients before a red carpet event. I must say I am very intrigued to try this mask. We're almost halfway through now, and on 6th day of Christmas we have, let's see what's in here. Oh my god, yes! So this is a travel size Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I have actually bought a full size Magic Serum myself and have been using it for about a month now and absolutely love it. It is a clinically proven hydrating serum for youthful looking skin, and I'm so happy to have a travel size of this Magic Serum in this beauty advent calendar so I can take it with me whenever I go away. On the 7th day of Christmas we have, ooh, okay. So this is a travel size Wonderglow primer. This is a glowing primer that gives you a radiant and dewy looking complexion. I am actually quite excited to try this as well to see how it looks under a Charlotte Tilbury foundation. On the 8th day of Christmas we have, let's see, ooh, there's nothing there. Oh, there she is. Right, so this is a travel size Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. This is a new mascara from Charlotte Tilbury which I have been dying to try. It's meant to be a miracle mascara that gives lashes long-lasting volume, length, and a weightless 24-hour vertical lift effect. I can't wait to try and give you guys my thoughts. I'm so excited. Moving on the 9th day of Christmas we have, yes! This is full-size Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk Original. This is Charlotte Tilbury's iconic, best-selling, award-winning, dreamy nude pink matte lipstick. Every celebrity loves it. It is one of my favorite go-to nude pink lipstick as well, and it's what I'm wearing right now. I'm so glad that I have a backup one now. Love it. On the 10th day of Christmas we have, let's see, okay, So this is a travel size Supermodel body. This is a super hydrating body shimmer to sculpt and highlight your skin to give you that glossy look. So I'm quite excited to try this purely because I have never tried any body products from Charlotte Tilbury yet. So this is going to be my very first one, and yes, can't wait. Right, on to Christmas Eve, and we have okay. This is travel size Magic Cream. This is another award-winning celebrity love moisturizer that gives you hydrated, dewy looking skin in an instant. It has a matrix of magic ingredients that's meant to intensely moisturize your complexion. Now, I have used this Magic Cream in the past and I've absolutely loved it. It instantly plumps and hydrates your skin and is such a good base for makeup. I'm actually about to get a full-size one, and this travel size is going to be very handy to take it with me whenever I'm traveling. And finally, it's the Christmas Day and Merry Christmas. So the final product we have in this beauty advent calendar is ta-da! So this is a travel size Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This setting spray is meant to prime and set your makeup for up to 16 hours. That's amazing, without melting, fading or creasing. It's Charlotte Tilbury's secret to makeup that looks just applied all day long. Now, I've seen so many videos recently about how good this setting spray is, how long lasting it is, and oh my god, I am so excited to try it myself. Those were all the 12 amazing skincare and makeup products from Charlotte's Bejewelled Chest of Beauty Treasures. It was such a treat to unbox this Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Advent Calendar. I think it's such a great value and I highly recommend it. Now, this Beauty Advent Calendar has actually sold out from Charlotte Tilbury's website, but I believe you can still get it from Cult Beauty as it was in stock last time I checked it. But do get there ASAP because once it's gone, it's gone. However, if you want to win this Beauty Advent Calendar for free, then I do have a live giveaway running right now on my Instagram. I will put the link to my giveaway in the description box below, so you can go ahead and enter if you want to win it. So good luck. And that is it for today's special video featuring Charlotte Tilbury's skincare and makeup. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I would love to know your thoughts on all the Charlotte Tilbury's products you've tried so far, and would you recommend them? So do let me know in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.